Hello everyone. Hope everybody is taking good care of themselves as well as keeping themselves busy at their respective locations. Today, I would like to read a blog which I wrote some time back. The name of the blog is Hobbies versus Passion versus Career Choices. When one finds his or her own interest, how it converts into hobby instead of a passion or choice of a career, let's figure out what happens and what goes wrong when area of interest becomes hobby. What is hobby? If I define it, it's kind of a passive interest. Maybe you try different things, find something interesting, and enjoy doing it once in a while or on the side. What is passion then? It's kind of an active interest, something burning inside you, or something which you always come back to. How one's interest gets converted into active or passive. If one finds that he or she is interested in arts or science or music or architecture or communications or modeling or so on, does everything comes back to time and money? Does your parents influence you in any of your decisions? Does people tend to convert interest to passive, which are more time consuming to establish a career in or less effective to get early financial stability or requires lot of investment, in turn becomes a hobby? Or people who have less courage and risk taking abilities due to other responsibilities, financial, family, have a society status, parents' pressure, etc., tend to convert their interest into hobby and don't look into their primary interest, which can give them less returns, money aspect. If we think about a common person, yes, maybe it's important to earn that financial stability and there is nothing wrong in it. The success is defined on the basis of your financial status in the society. Yes, most of the times. Does following a passion makes a person less stressful? Study shows that focusing on following a single passion made people less likely to consider new potential areas of interest. This close minded view can be detrimental to the success of the individual and to the success of communities. Instead of thinking of your career as an opportunity to follow your passion, the researchers suggest thinking of life as a series of opportunities to develop several passions. I totally agree with them. It's not required that you should be passionate about only one thing in life or think about making that passion as your career choice always when you have other priorities or responsibilities in life, as success can't be measured in terms of money. If you Google, you will find tons of blogs and articles giving you insights on how to measure a true success. So it's okay to have some of your interests to be your hobbies if they are not giving you enough returns, or sometimes your parents doesn't think your interests are good career choices, as it's not required to convert every interest into a passion, or maybe some of you can convert that passion along with journey of your career. I remember one incident during one of my university event. I was an event assistant. One CEO came as a guest on the event. After the event was done, we had a breakout room to have dinner with the CEO. So I got a chance to interact with that CEO. While we were talking, she asked me a question. My daughter is 15-year-old, but she has no interest in computers. She is only interested in arts. How can I work on building her interest in computers? I had no answer for it. She was interested to know how did I find my interest. But I just replied saying, "That's great, she found one. I don't think I found mine when I was her age." If I look into it now, I think I would have had better answer saying she found her interest, but maybe she will figure that out whether it's her hobby, passion or career choice with your help. What do you think about your interests, passions, hobbies and career choices? What do you think matters most to you? Do you think we always confuse between our hobbies, passions and career choices? Do let me know your stories. How did you find it that it's not your passion or not your career choice, or it can be only your hobby? Until we meet, happy leading. Let's read together. Stay safe. Bye for now.